This video will show you how to animate nuts and bolts in Blender. Please watch to the very end. When you open Blender, first press Delete to delete the default cube. Come to this icon and change this area from 3D Viewport to Preferences. Go to Add-ons and search for the Bolt Factory add-on. Activate it. Now switch the area back to a 3D viewport. Press Shift-A and add a bolt. Press Shift-A again and add another bolt. Come down to this settings panel and change it to a nut. Now we have a bolt and a nut. You can adjust other settings here, but we don't need them for now. So just make sure the nut is selected, then come to the constraint properties. Add a transformation constraint. Come to the target and select the bolt. Click on the drop-down arrow on Map From. All we want to do is make sure that as long as this bolt moves, the nut will rotate. Map From means the transformation the constraint object will pick from the target object. In our case, let's leave it set to location. Since we are moving it along the Z, we'll give the Z a maximum and minimum value. In my case, I used -5 and 5. Now click on the drop-down arrow on Map To. Let's switch it to rotation since we want it to rotate as the bolt move. It's rotating along the Z in this case, so we'll only set the minimum and maximum angle for the Z. I'll leave the minimum at 0 degrees and set the maximum to 360 degrees. Now if I try to move the bolt along the Z, you can see that the nut rotates. Since you've got that, why don't you give this content a thumbs up? Let's expand this area and activate the auto keying button to create an animation. Go to frame 1 to give it the first keyframe. Press G then Z to move the bolt along the Z. You can switch to a side view for clear vision. Come to frame 100 to give it another keyframe. Press G then Z to move the bolt along the Z again. Reduce the frames to 100. Now play the animation. You can go ahead to assign materials to it, then render. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.